In today's demonstration, I will guide you through the process of accessing the MetaEye feature on WhatsApp for iPhone iOS devices. If you are eager to explore this new functionality, let's delve into the detailed steps. Before proceeding, ensure that you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed on your iPhone. Open the WhatsApp application and navigate to the specific chat or group conversation where you wish to utilize the MetaEye feature. This could be an individual chat or a group chat, depending on your preference. Within the selected chat window, tap on the message box to begin typing. Type at MetaEye and send the message. This action will activate the MetaEye chatbot within the chat. Once the MetaEye chatbot is activated, you will observe various options to interact with it. You can send prompts and commands to the chatbot to leverage the capabilities of the Eye software. Explore the available features and experiment with different interactions. By following these steps, you will be able to successfully access and utilize the MetaEye feature on WhatsApp for your iPhone iOS device.